In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Affirm payments to Wix website. Before we start clicking around, here's what Affirm brings to your store. It lets customers split their purchases into flexible payments. They can pay in 4 interest-free installments every 2 weeks or choose longer financing plans up to 36 months for cart values over $150. The best part for you is that funds arrive in your account within 1 to 3 business days after the purchase. So your cash flow keeps moving even while your shoppers pay over time. A couple of quick eligibility notes. Affirm on Wix is currently supported in the United States and the supported currency is USD. Transaction fees may vary, so check your Affirm terms so there are no surprises. Also, the currency in your Wix account must match your Affirm account. If they don't match, transactions can be declined. If you need to adjust your store's currency, you can do that in your Wix settings before connecting. Now let's connect Affirm. In your Wix site's dashboard, go to the section called Accept Payments. At the top right, look at your business location. If you see the wrong country, use the drop down to switch it to the United States so the Affirm option appears correctly for your region. Once that looks good, select See More Payment Options to view the full list of providers. Find Affirm in the list and click Connect. From here, Wix will guide you through one of 2 paths. If you already have an Affirm business account, sign in and authorize the connection so Wix and Affirm can talk to each other securely. If you're new to Affirm, follow the prompts to create an account. Provide the requested business details, complete any verification steps, and then return to Wix when prompted. Keep an eye on the currency fields along the way to ensure both sides are set to USD. After the connection is successful, Affirm will appear as a payment option at checkout. Customers with eligible carts will see the Pay in 4 option, and for carts over $150, they may see longer installment plans. This can lift conversion rates and average order value, especially on higher ticket items. For day-to-day management, things like payout schedules, refunds, and chargeback disputes, use the Affirm Business Resource Hub. That's where you'll find the policies and tools specific to your Affirm account, along with best practices to keep your operations running smoothly. And that's it. You've connected Affirm to your Wix site, aligned your currency and location, and unlocked flexible payments for your customers while keeping your payouts fast and predictable.